Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can use Toggl. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to top right, sign up. Now just add here the email address and then add a password. And yep, I agree with terms of service. Sign up. When you're gonna do it, you'll get straight away to the dashboard when you see your themes and plans. Now you can click and see your workspaces here, and then you're gonna see updates. What was happening, nothing to catch up. And then you're gonna see themes. You're gonna see themes here and plans. Plans is in other words project. So when I'm going to click themes, you can click plus here and add a new theme. And you would just add here the team members and you would like add them. Or you can simply use the pre-created. So you can 3 dots here. You can edit it, like rename it. You can add it as a favorite. You can follow theme and you can manage users. Now you can simply click like, let's say here, and you just add a task name. So the first task is going to be YouTube video. Status. We can go with a in progress. Then we have a plan here. You can add here, but we will get to it and we will create a plan so we can edit this too later. Then you see assign here. When you're going to click on it, you can also select if you have multiple members in your team, or you can add member. Then you can from to, again, you can go from February to February, like when it's going to happen. I can go like to, let's say it's going to take 4 days. And then you're going to see other properties here. So when I'm going to click other properties, I see segments here that I can add. I can add tags. I can, like if it's going to repeat, and daily estimate. And start and time. So tags, you can add it there. Then you can repeat if it's going to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly. Let's go weekly, and ends never, or on a date. Let's go in 31st of March. So you see it here. It's repeating every weekly on Monday on a date 33 of March. And now daily estimate, I can define it, how long it's take. Again, you can add it or no. Then you can simply add a comment here. Comment, click send. Then you're gonna see add notes here that you can simply add. These are notes. And then you're gonna see it here to the item. But then we need to just add a plan here. Then on the right top, you can unfollow the task. You can add a timer here. Add a project and you can start a timer with it. And 3 dots, you can duplicate it, copy link, or delete it. Or you can go full screen. Now when I'm going to press X here, I can see it here. So every Monday, look at this. Every Monday, we see a task. So this is how you can simply do it. You can also invite people, your team members here if you want to, and you can also invite guests. But to invite guests, you need to do one thing, is that you need to have premium account for it. When you have it, let's create a plan. Add a new plan. And now project name, I'm going to name it YouTube channel. And enable views, boards, timeline. You can disable it or enable it. Again, that's up to you. Click add. Right here you see it. YouTube channel, board. You can simply, no status, you can add a task. So add a task, let's go with YouTube video. And that's something that we have as a task. And this is the same process and when we have the task in our teams. So you see here, we see status, segment, assignee, tags, from to, select start date, select end date, same process. So yeah, press X, and now I can simply move it to blocked or done. You can go and click on the 3 dots and move all tasks to, or you can simply add a status. Let's say on hold. I can click on 3 dots on it and I can just move it, and I can also change the emoji, and I can move to on hold, and you can add multiple statuses, right? Then you have also, you can disable the timeline or you can enable it. And now we can click again to timeline. And let's say that if I would have a board and I can plan it and I can add a date from Wednesday to Sunday, and I go to timeline, I can clearly see my task here. So that's really good. So this is how the plans work and this is how themes work. Let's go to my profile settings to edit that. Here you can simply add a first, last name, email, start week when your week starts, time zone, you can edit that. Now you can also enable or disable notifications. Get marketing emails, disable it. Timeline, you can hide weekends. You can get pinned on top and fade down tasks. And you can also enable dark mode, but it's like really dark, but you can do it if you want to. Then, oh, I'm going to disable it, it's too much. You get workspaces, and you can simply add a new workspace, but to that you need to verify your email address. So then you get to see users here. You can simply invite new users. To invite guests, you need to upgrade. Then you get a billing here. You need to like have standard plan for free. That's like really up to you. Then you're gonna see integrations here. Then you can integrate Toggl Track here. So you can have Toggl Plan with Toggl Track and have it combined. Then you're gonna see Slack and calendar. And then you're gonna see the shortcuts here. So this is pretty much it. Then when you go to the top 3 dots here, you can edit the project, you can manage the users, you can follow plan, or you can even archive it. Really play around as much as you want. The same thing here. Now we can simply again add a new plan and add so many plans as you want. And this is pretty much it. So this is how you use Toggl Plan. It's nothing to be afraid of. It's nothing hard to actually learn. And I believe that everyone can do it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it is, you know how it goes. And if you find this video useful, you can support me and subscribe. And yeah, Toggl Plan is okay. It's nothing like so revolutionary, or how would I call it, something that is like, damn, I need to use it. It's a really good feature to have with the Toggl Track, but it's not really that complex comparing to Monday.com or ClickUp. So yeah, goodbye.